Font identifier, Parallels font identifier. How to perform font management in Parallels. Parallels Desktop does not include a font identifier, i.e., it doesn't scan or identify fonts within an image or document. It's primarily designed for virtualizing operating systems and sharing resources, not for font analysis. What Parallels does offer with fonts? 1. Windows left-right arrow Mac font sharing. Parallels integrates with your Mac to share files and folders, but it does not automatically share fonts across Mac OS and Windows. To use a font in both operating systems, you must install the font separately on Mac OS, via Font Book. Install the same font separately inside Windows, via Windows Fonts Control Panel. Parallels confirmed this behavior and noted, unfortunately you cannot share fonts between VM and Mac. Support rep further explained that even though sharing files is seamless, fonts must be individually installed in each OS because of differences in font formats and licensing. 2. Font management in Parallels RAS, Remote Application Server. If you're using Parallels RAS, Enterprise Remote Publishing Solution, it does include font management features. Administrators can configure auto installation of fonts on servers and clients. They can customize embedding/exclusion settings for fonts in print jobs. However, this is not part of Parallels Desktop for Mac. It's exclusive to the enterprise level RAS product. How to use fonts seamlessly. 1. Install fonts on Mac OS using Font Book. 2. Copy font files, .ttf, .if, into your Windows VM via shared folders. 3. Install inside Windows, open Control Panel rightward arrow fonts select install. Font, choose your shared folder, and install. 4. Restart the Windows app to see the new font. TLDR, Parallels Desktop doesn't offer a font identifier or automatic font syncing. For fonts to appear in your Windows VM, you need to install them manually inside Windows. If you're using Parallels RAS, it does offer font deployment and embedding tools but not in the desktop product.